Indibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji niolo wa kwezonu?
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Chukunonso Captures. Ndebanye, nomekelonu. Abamo Chukunonso Captures, aka Mazi. Check 'em, aka the digital makeup artist. And you're tuned in for another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so shout out to Chinwe. Give it up for her, that's right. So thanks a lot, Chinwe, for sending in, I believe this is your middle